back again to my channel. This is Nikki Collection here again with another beautiful tutorial, okay, on how I created this masterpiece. So if this is what interests you to know how I achieved, watch till the end, all right? So here I've already wrapped my millinery wire with my velvet trimming. I wouldn't want to waste so much of your time, so I've already wrapped it. So I have length of 32 inches and it's in 4 places. Can you see that? Then the smaller one is 12 inches. And for this smaller one, I'm simply using it to create a circle, like a circular loop. Okay? So when you have joined the two heads together, apply your glue and also go ahead to tie it just to make it firm. Okay? Anything you are creating, make sure that you make it very firm so that you don't get complaint of it losing or any bad complaint from your clients. All right. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do so so that you stay updated once I drop my tutorials. And if you find value while watching this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you also have a question, you can leave it in the comment section. So here I am tying the circular loops just to make it firm. All right. After that, I will move to the next step, which is to create another kind of loop with the longer wire. And the longer wire is 32 inches. Please, I won't be doing so much talking in this video, so you just pay attention, follow all the steps, and I believe that you can be able to recreate yours. So for this longer loop, I'm just going to be folding it into two just to mark the midpoint. All right. So you fold into two and find the midpoint. That's the center of the two. All right. That is simply what I'm doing here. So with this, you can be able to form your loops. Okay. So that both sides will look equal. All right. So keep watching, learning. If you find value, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. All right. And for every step you're making, while you apply your glue, it's also advisable that you tie or you stitch. All right. So can you see how I am forming this loop? All right. So I'm going to also bend the other end to form the loop. At the end, you have something like 8 in shape. All right. With this, I can twist it, I can bend it to any shape I want it. So keep watching. This is a value packed tutorial, and I hope you gain a lot of value watching this tutorial. All right. So let's go ahead and create.